Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing well. We are back with 9E16 on a bright sunny day of October 2, 2020. Our today's topic is conjunctions. As a student of English language, we should know all parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Out of 8 parts of speech, today's lecture is focused on conjunctions. Conjunctions. Conjunctions join words, phrases, or clauses. Examples: you must try fish and chips of this restaurant. Number 2, my English book is either on the table or in the bag. Number 3, the boss called the manager, but he was not in his office. In the first sentence, fish and chips are joined by a conjunction. In the second sentence, a pair of conjunctions, either or, has joined 2 phrases, on the table and in the bag. And in the third example, 2 clauses are joined by a conjunction, but. Kinds of conjunctions. There are 3 kinds of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions connect words, phrases, or independent clauses. Coordinating conjunctions. For coordinating conjunctions, an acronym, Fanboys, helps us memorize almost all coordinating conjunctions easily. F is for, A for and for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so and still. Let's have a look at the examples of coordinating conjunctions. Number 1, wheat and sugar are sold here. 2 subjects, wheat and sugar, are joined with a coordinating conjunction and. Will you take tea or coffee? Here, 2 objects, tea and coffee, are joined with a coordinating conjunction or. He replied courteously but firmly. Here, 2 adverbs, courteously and firmly, are joined by a coordinating conjunction but. He was tired but undaunted. 2 adjectives, tired and undaunted, has been joined by a coordinating conjunction but here in this sentence. In these first 4 sentences, coordinating conjunctions are used to join words like 2 subjects, 2 objects, 2 adverbs, and 2 adjectives. He returned immediately but without any confusion. Here in this sentence, the verb immediately is joined with an adverb phrase without any confusion using a coordinating conjunction but. John came and the task was still incomplete. Here, 2 independent clauses are joined using a coordinating conjunction and. Punctuation rule for using coordinating conjunctions. When using a coordinating conjunction to join 2 independent clauses, always put a comma before the conjunction. Let's have a look at some examples. We were hungry, comma, for we had not eaten in 5 hours. Number 2, he came late, comma, but attended the seminar. In both these examples, we can see a comma is placed before the conjunctions for and but. Second kind of conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions show the relationship between a dependent and independent clause. Some examples of coordinating conjunctions: although, though, as if, because, if, since, that, unless, whereas, while, when, etc. Punctuation rule for subordinating conjunctions. When the dependent clause is placed first in a sentence, use a comma between the two clauses. Examples: though he saw danger, comma, William was not afraid. Though, a subordinating conjunction, and it is dependent clause. That's why a comma is placed after it. Example number 2. If you prefer, comma, take this seat. If you prefer, a dependent clause, that's why a comma is placed after that. Because it was raining, comma, we could not go shopping. Because it was raining is a dependent clause, that's why we placed a comma here before the independent clause. Punctuation rule number 2. When the independent clause is placed first, do not use a comma between the two clauses. Let's reverse the same examples. William was not afraid, though he saw danger. Here, William was not afraid is an independent clause. That's why there is no comma before and after the conjunction. Number 2, take the seat if you prefer. And number 3, we could not go shopping because it was raining. Third kind of conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. Conjunctions that are used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions connect two equal grammatical terms. Some examples of correlative conjunctions: both and, not only but also, either or, and neither nor. Examples of correlative conjunctions: both lions and wolves are carnivores. Both and are used as a pair in this example. He was not only his son, but also the emperor of the kingdom. Here in this sentence, not only and but also are also paired. Either brass or copper will do. Another example: neither Keats nor Shelley lived to be old. Hope you have an idea of using correlative conjunctions. Let me summarize today's lesson. Conjunctions join words, phrases, and clauses. Conjunctions have 3 kinds: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions join clauses of equal rank, while subordinating conjunctions join independent clauses with the dependent ones, and correlative clauses exist in pairs. Hopefully, now you can do all the textual activities of conjunctions easily. That's all for this week. Allah Hafiz.